Hello, Knowing Squad. I'm thrilled to share my recent culinary adventure with you. This time, I had the pleasure of creating a delightful chocolate treat from scratch with a special 24-karat gold dinner. And the entire process was truly a memorable experience. Let's dive into the decadent process of creating these exquisite chocolates. To begin, I gathered the finest ingredients: 4 full cups of premium cacao powder, 1 cup of coconut milk powder, 1 cup of luscious coconut oil, agave syrup, Ceylon cinnamon, and a hint of vanilla to form the base of this decadent creation. As I carefully measured and combined the ingredients, I used my food processor to blend them into a rich concoction, gradually adding more coconut oil to achieve a creamy consistency. A touch of agave syrup was added to ensure a smooth texture, resulting in a velvety chocolate base that promised to be nothing short of a delight for the taste buds. While blending, I added 1 small cup of coconut milk, and then once the base was ready, I transferred it to a double boiler, adding a full cup of coconut milk and carefully mixing it until it reached the perfect chocolate consistency. Then I added 1 more cup of coconut milk and I mixed it all together. Afterwards, I poured the mixture back into the blender to achieve an even smoother texture. The next step was crucial: oiling the 5 different silicone chocolate molds with fragrant coconut oil, ensuring that the chocolates would release with ease. Now, for the most luxurious touch, the integration of 24-karat gold leaf. Each chocolate mold received a delicate touch of elegance as I carefully added 24-karat gold leaf to the molds, infusing them with a shimmering visual appeal that perfectly complemented the exquisite flavors within. To take these chocolates to the next level, I decided to add a surprise element by gently nestling hazelnuts into 2 of the molds, adding a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor to the finished bonbons. It is intriguing to note that consuming 24-karat gold in small amounts may offer potential health benefits. Gold is believed to possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, among other potential benefits, making it more than just a visually stunning addition to these indulgent chocolates. As the chocolates set, I eagerly arranged them on a grand wooden stand, each piece a testament to the artistry and care poured into their creation. The response from my guests at the dinner was overwhelmingly positive, and it was a joy to see everyone enjoying these gourmet treats. If you are interested in delving further into the world of gourmet chocolate and more, be sure to stay tuned for exciting recipes and updates about my upcoming cookbook on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you would try my recipe for this chocolate bonbon delight. Until then, happy knowing. Mwah.